everyone enjoys being outdoor when they stay home. We all wanted to see the space and stay inside when the weather's from nice to be hot. Now you are watching our products offering the space just same about being inside, but keep the wind and rain outside. During the daytime, the temperature will going up to over 35 degrees, and you just open it and allow the fresh air to come in. You and your family will enjoy the patios and pool enclosures all year round. Sunhouse builds the retractable enclosures and provides the extreme panoramic clear visions. And with the spans is going to 20 meters without the tracks and rests as the additional support on the framing systems. The super lightweight systems and the unbreakable polycarbonate panels are the modern architecture enclosures, prefabricated and high customized, and the enclosures is convenient to build up on site, and the nice attraction movement and still requires the strength for the building code. Sunhouse mainly service the commercial buildings and projects like a 5-star hotels upgrade and the luxury resorts in China. You can imagine the applications just like a spa, the coffee lodge, the guest house, reception centers, gyms, sky pool, and more.